Hi, third grade. This is Miss Lee. I hope you had a relaxing long weekend. Last week, we focused on addition strategies. This week, we are kicking off math by reviewing subtraction strategies that you learned in second grade. Below this video, there is a link to Ms. Roby's math video from last year, where she goes over different subtraction strategies that you learned in second grade. This assignment will look very familiar because it follows the same format as last week's Tuesday assignment on addition. There are two parts to this assignment. The first part is where you are given 5 different subtraction problems, and then you have a circle on the top that you can drag over whichever problem that you want to do on the slide. On each slide, you will also see that there is a large square text box where you can choose to upload a picture of your work for this problem. If that is going to take a lot of time for you to upload individual pictures of work, then at the very bottom of this assignment, you'll see a larger text box where you can upload a picture of all your work for all the problems in this assignment. You can also choose to type your work for each problem, but we've been noticing that when you type your work, a lot of friends just write the subtraction problem and then the answer. You still need to explain your thinking by writing out the different steps to how you got to that answer. So you probably used different number sentences to get to your final answer. You need to type out all of those number sentences. The second part of your assignment is where you get to create your own 3-digit numbers. If you remember from last week, you were given an option of using a deck of cards, dice, or things around your home. If you forget how to use those materials to come up with your own numbers, on the very top you'll see a tip, and it will link you to a video from last week that explains the directions in more depth. Once you have chosen your 3-digit numbers, you have to plug it in to these text boxes. The only difference between the addition problems that you did last week and the subtraction problems here is that in subtraction, your first 3-digit number always has to be greater than your second 3-digit number. Because if you think about it, you can't really take away a bigger number from a smaller number, but you can take away a smaller number from a bigger number. So make sure that when you come up with your 2 3-digit numbers here, you want to write the bigger number in the first box and then the smaller number in the second box. Again, you see a larger text box here where you can show your work. We're excited to see all the different strategies that you remember from last year, and we will continue to practice them in math labs.